morning to you guys. It is time for 10:45 in the morning, and it is JC's News. Today, I will be talking to you about viruses and bacteria. There has been a big outbreak of viruses and bacteria affecting the human people all around the world. So, in this segment, we're going to be talking to you about bacteria and viruses. But first, I want to tell you what a virus is. A virus is an illness that goes to its host, which influences the immune response. This is not good for the human body.
A bacteria is a single-cell prokaryotic that lives on your body. So some of it is good, some of it is bad. But the harmful one is
not good. So now we'll be showing you a few video clips of some few students who have encountered viruses and bacteria and have not had a positive outcome.
This is Sheppard, and I'll be walking around to ask people what do they think bacteria and viruses are.
Hi, my name is Casey, and I'm here with Kennedy Robbins, a local April. She will be telling you what she thinks the definition of a bacteria and a virus.
I think what a bacteria is and a virus is like an organism that when it gets to your body, it can affect you in a negative way.
Hi, I'm back again, but this time with our local 6th grader, Jayla. So Jayla, tell me what do you think a bacteria and a virus is?
A bacteria is a certain microorganism that once it gets into the body can affect your body and affect your blood system and your blood pressure.
Cool.
Okay, after listening to our 6th and our 8th grade friend tell us about what they think about a virus and a bacteria is, now I will show you some do's and don'ts on how to prevent catching the bacteria.
There's about 3 minutes left.
Hey girl, you know.
Identify bacteria and viruses.
Okay, so some ways scientists identify bacteria or viruses is by looking at them under the microscope, looking for certain characteristics like whether they're able to multiply. Typically that's something that's more of a characteristic of a bacteria versus viruses, which have to have a whole cell to live in, and so they multiply a little bit differently. Another way that you can identify them is based on the symptoms that one displays, and typically with those symptoms, ones that are curable are those that are characteristics of a bacteria compared to those that are not curable, which are more likely to be characteristics of those of a virus.
Back to you, Jayla.
Thank you so much. But as we all know, combining the viruses and bacteria, it all leads to one main thing, which is the immune system. And the immune system is a complex network of cells that work together to protect your body against foreign invaders, which are also known as invading cells, which are abnormal or bad cells that can possibly lead to cancer and other bad viruses.
Our top news with Sydney Robinson.
Good afternoon. Last reported at Girault Charter School, a student found vomiting the guts out decided to take one of another student's chips who had the common cold, which supposedly got passed down.
Thank you so much for watching our show today. Make sure you're with us tomorrow evening, and we'll be talking about more about viruses and bacteria. But in closing, make sure you always use tissues, use hand sanitizer, and always wash your hands. Thank you and have a marvelous Monday.